this 2-pack of tea strainers comes with a lid, and what I like about it is has a little saucer. After you are done steeping your tea, you can put it on the saucer so you don't have to worry about getting your cabinet dirty. Now, when we want to fill it, we just simply take the lid off, and all we need to do is fill the inside with our favorite tea. And so I'm going to add a little bit of loose tea here. So you just fill it up with your favorite tea, coffee, anything like that that you want to steep. And once we've got it full, we are going to put our lid on. And so now we're going to add it into our cup. And then all I've got to do is add hot water. And it is going to do the work. So here I've got my cup. I've put my tea in. What I like about this is it has a little hook as well, so I can add this to the coffee cup if I had a larger cup. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shake just to get it going. And then I'm gonna let it do its work. So now my tea is going to steep, and when I'm done, all I've gotta do is simply pull this out, and I can add it to the saucer. And so for me, that is a great feature because I don't have to worry about getting my counter wet. I do like the fact that this is a 2-pack, so if I have company over and they want maybe a different flavor of tea than what I have, we have the ability to make a separate cup in a different flavor. So that is great when I do have company.